In this video, I am going to turn my image into this cartoony trendy image. So without wasting any more time, let's dig into business. Allow me to briefly outline our plans for today's video. You can create some really cool stylized images in the cartoony style that's in right now, like this or something similar. Alright, let's move. I will start by going to this Stylized AI website and quickly creating a Google email account. Now let's move on to a new project. As you can see, this is a very basic web page. First, you will need to import your image from this location. So let's import this picture and then enlarge it while holding down the shift key to keep the aspect ratio. Next, navigate to this button and click on it. You can select the style you want your image to be in from here. Let's just use AI to describe our image for now. This will facilitate the tool's ability to identify objects present in the image itself. Now that we have pressed this tiny button, it will describe the picture. And this description is so accurate, my goodness. Man, the next thing we are going to do, thus we will select the name cute style and press on it if we want the cartoony look. These two sliders allow us to adjust the final product. I will therefore increase this structure match, and this is the sides intensity if I want the final image to resemble image as closely as possible. Then let's style and watch the magic happen. Alright. You will not get fantastic results the first few times, but after one try, I got this one, which is good enough for me, I believe. Now let's press into this picture and onto the canvas. Alright, the mode and image look fantastic for now, but of course this is not an original picture. Thus, what is the solution? Here at Styler, our work is done, so let's export this picture after scaling it up to 3 times, and I will just save this preview of this image and hide it before I close Styler. Alright, I will explain why shortly. Let's simply export it now. The next thing we will do is visit this website, REM Maker AI, and we will utilize it to replace the face with the one from the image we created. Now let's upload the image we created into the upload image field and press swap face. This particularly one, and we will use this face in the swap image. Next, let's activate the swap and allow AI to function. Okay, that's great. Let's download this picture to see how it turns out. Okay, that's quite nice. And this is the finished picture, and this one was produced by the Styler website. And that's after witnessing the face exchange. Finally, as you can see from the image at this time, the resolution is not the best. Thus, we can use AI to solve this as well. And we are going to use this tool right now called Upscale. After we download the application, all you have to do is choose the picture. Next, let's hit the Upscale button. As you can see, it did provide us with a lot of good results, so let's examine this difference. We have a very high resolution with the upscaled one. However, notice these edges. I have to admit, oh my god, guys, AI is terrifying. Thus, the before and after are shown here. Very pleasant. Okay friends, I will wrap up my video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating these cartoony images using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.